Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today is August the 19th. It has started raining. We're out here. Well, I'm out here, but Aaron should be pulling up soon. He's in my big truck. I went out today and did all sales, and I also stopped by a stone class that was being presented by my instructor, Robert Falzone, and a few of my hardwood students were there out of town from other states. So I stopped by there, hung out with them for a good hour. I went out, did 2 in-home consultations. They went very well. One would be a screen and recoat with UV cure. The other one would be a screen and recoat with no UV cure because they're moving out. This house, this is the home of Mr. Bennett. I came out here about 2 weeks ago. I gave him a quote. We did a partial sanding, and then we also did the screen and recoat and the UV cure. So I'm gonna show you what we did on this project, and then I'm gonna start UV curing, and then the movers, Christian and his team, will be coming back today to put the furniture back. So let me show you guys what we got going. All right, guys, so there's Aaron right there pulling up. So Aaron actually knocked this whole job out by himself because, like I said, I went out to did sales today. So originally this floor right here, guys, it had a lot of buckling of water damage. So the way the client floors turn opposite directions, instead of them having to sand the whole floor down, they were just able to sand down this part. Now this is white oak that originally was of course coated, and you can see now it's more white here, but over time it will get darker, and the client totally understands. He don't, he just wanted. So what we did, guys, we did more of a transition right here, sanded all this down, got the floor flat, seal and recoated, and then screen and recoated all of this right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is UV cure, and by the time I'm done UV curing, and I will say too, in certain areas like here it looks lighter, but all the furniture is going to be going back. So we did the dining room. So this is a little bit over 1,600 square feet, and RADCOAT. And this is the masters. Even the masters look lighter for some reason than out here. But we didn't sand none of this. So this could be the age of the floor. So anyway, guys, floors came out great. And I'm going to go ahead and start UV curing. I also got a screen and recoat. What's up, Aaron? That's the man right there, y'all. Knocked the whole job out by himself. Now, if you let Aaron tell it, he said, no, he would have said, Courtney, I gotta sand this whole floor. But again, guys, certain things as professionals that we kind of look at, the client can really care less as long as they just get the floors looking good. All right, what you think, Aaron? Good. Looks good. All right, so what I'm gonna do is start UV curing, and like I said, Christian, what time you said Christian said they'd be back by 7?
Yeah, he actually just texted me, so yeah, 7.
7? Okay, great. Huh? Okay, cool. Yeah, you can tell him he can come sooner because I'm about to start UV curing. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to go ahead and start UV curing this floor. Very short video because, like I say, I went out today and did sales, and this is why I charge for in-home consultations. My first in-home consultation was in Canton, Georgia. From my office to Canton was about 1 hour and 38 minutes, okay? And the client was very happy, gave me some great feedback, told me I was very professional. They love my reviews, they love my videos. And they say, Courtney, it also seems like you go into more detail than what we saw other companies do. And that's why I showcase my work. All right, guys, I'm going ahead and get this floor UV cured. Like I said, short video. Also, Aaron, Mr. Bennett said he's going to have you come back and put new floors upstairs. Because they got carpet upstairs. So he said they want to eventually do hardwood all upstairs. Okay, cool. Yep. It'd be awesome. Yep. So Aaron, like I said, guys, Aaron is very versatile. One of my, man, he's like, we are so glad that we met each other. Because we met about 2 years ago. He moved from Ohio. And he just has been a tremendous help to me and my business. So anytime I get sanding jobs, he's one of my sources, him or either Raphael. But Aaron does sanding, he does installation. He just did a job in Marietta. He installed some luxury vinyl plank floors for a client. So guys, just great to have network partners that you can network with, and you guys can, benefit off of each other and build a good relationship. And that's what we have done over the last 2 years, and going to keep it going. All right, guys. All right, guys, just giving you a little UV action. UV curing, one of the favorite processes that we offer. Clients do it basically eliminates, and you can just feel how smooth the floors are as you walk across the floors and UVing. The clients love the convenience because they don't have to wait to put the furniture back. Dogs get back on the floors immediately, furniture, rugs. So you know what, the UV, a great way to explain it. I've had a lot of my female clients, the ladies, they'll say, oh, Courtney, that's like when we go and get our nails done and we put our nails under that light and it instantly cures the whatever that stuff they put on their nails, gel nail or something. I don't get my nails done, as you guys can see. And I said, yeah. And they say, yeah. So they love, I'm telling you guys, I'm going to say almost 85-90% of my clients get the UV because of the convenience. And what it does, it literally bakes that finish into the floor. So you get a really good durable finish. And like I said, not only can you, you get those benefits, but you can actually feel the difference as you're UVing because the floors are just more slick and very smooth. Because and I also have to walk a certain speed. So actually we got one tomorrow that we're UVing. Next week, guys, next week is almost totally booked except Thursday. I think 3 of those jobs are going to be UV. And then I got to go another job that my other team is that finished up today, a full sanding job. We have to go UV that tomorrow. So tomorrow we have 2 UV jobs. So all right, guys, let's give me a little some action. It's just I couldn't get you any screening or recoating. And all right, guys, that's gonna do it. Another great job. Hold on, guys, let me clean off my lens. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Another great job. I think Aaron's gonna be with me tomorrow. If he's not having any sanding or installation jobs, he'll come give me a hand if needed. So and T will be back from out of town next week. So tomorrow, last job of the week. I'm already 90% booked up next week. I got jobs Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday of next week already. And also jobs going into the first. I think I've already got 6 jobs on the schedule for September. September is actually usually a great month throughout the year. And I will say this is my best August ever, okay? And I also downsized because we don't clean carpets, upholstery anymore, and also went back to owner-operator. So I do all my work. So anyway, guys, thanks again for watching. This is going to do it. Thank you, Mr. Benton. Watched my videos and had me come out here, give him my price. So again, we sanded the hallway. It was cupped. No, I'm sorry, crowned. It was crowned because of water damage. And then we screened the rest of the floor and they look amazing. All right, guys. Movers should be on the way. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.